Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and today I wanted to dazzle you with the best Swiss watchmaking has to offer. And did that idea backfire in a spectacular fashion? Oh well, Manufacture Girard Perregaux. Well, manufacture is that haute horlogerie, high horology. All parts are made by that brand. The best they can offer, the bee's knees. Last Tuesday during the live stream I did this Girard Perregaux. Well, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but it is an 18 karat gold, white gold bracelet case. Even the dial is 18 karat gold. Diamond setting. Well, you can expect something from the watch movements. Well, as usual, we did the disassembly live during our live stream, and well, looks okay. The Girard Perregaux. This is the 091473. But during this assembly, we saw it isn't a Girard Perregaux. It is a Peseux 7040. And it was a bit underwhelming, especially the other side. Oh well, you didn't. A basic rule is in a gold case there's always an excellent movement. You can expect that. Well, it is running perfectly, but the finishing was a bit like Seiko. Nothing wrong with Seiko, affordable watches, because they don't spend too much time on finishing. Well, win-win, and the best bang for your buck. What you see over there is just an imprint in the dial on the other side for the index. So a bit underwhelming. I thought for today's stream, I remembered we had a Manufacture, and it's a Girard Perregaux gold case. Beautiful watch. I think it's nice, balanced design. I'm going to dazzle you with the best Swiss watchmaking has to offer. Well, here is the movements. Here's the case. Beautiful finished, 18 karat gold. But Manufacture, I don't think Girard Perregaux makes the plastic parts. Oh well. And this is the Girard Perregaux. It's the 741145. But during this assembly, look at this. This is the same movement, but from the other side. It is exactly the same as an Omega 625. I'm holding a 620, but it is identical to the Omega 625. But Omega's got a beautiful finish with the starburst, the sunburst. You can see the setting lever spring. It's all Omega. And then you can think, well, Manufacture, maybe it was an ébauche. So a blank, and Girard Perregaux made it beautiful, made their own parts. No, it gets even worse. So what they say is Girard Perregaux Manufacture is an Omega 625, but it's getting slightly worse. The only thing Girard Perregaux did was to take the Omega movement. On this side is just glass bead, and on this side they made a kindergarten finish. Now, I'll show you in more detail, but it's uneven, it is crude, and the engraving is, well, we've seen better. And again, we are looking at a microscope level, and it is a watch from the mid-90s. But they sell it as manufacture, and it is getting slightly worse. The watch is from the mid-90s, and the Omega 625 is produced until 1979. So as manufacture, they used at least a 15-year-old movement, made it look worse, and then sold it as the pride of the brand. That is a bit sad. So yeah, this story isn't about Girard Perregaux. It is a beautiful brand, and it isn't the brand it was in the mid-90s. They make beautiful stuff. The story is more about late 80s, mid-90s, the decline of the mechanical watch movement. The pride was gone. Quartz movement was so much more superior than the mechanical movement. And this story again isn't about Girard Perregaux again. Today it's a completely different company than it was in the mid-90s. It is more that we as watch enthusiasts and buyers and investors and watchmakers are so much more knowledgeable because of the digital age. Information is everywhere, and we can assess vintage watches, because this is 30 years old, in a completely different light as it was sold by then, because it was sold as manufacture. Well, it really isn't. Please share your thoughts in the comments. I really would like to see what you are thinking about this manufacture. And if you have any problems with watches that you bought, that you sold, please let me know what you think about the Swiss watchmaking community. All of you, thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.